Have you ever had a woman say, I just don't feel loved anymore? And you're sitting there asking yourself, I'm here, aren't I? I do everything for you. Well, sometimes being present isn't enough. So today we're talking about things men do without even realizing it that makes women feel unloved. This is not about big fights or dramatic moments. It's about the little habits and actions that slowly builds up and makes your partner feel unseen or unimportant. So grab a seat, let's dive into this together. Number one, not listening with full attention. You might be physically present, but if your mind is somewhere else while she's talking, she will notice. Nodding while scrolling through your phone, replying with or okay, without really engaging, hurts more than you think. Women feel loved when they are heard. Sometimes she doesn't need you to face the problem. She just wants to be understood. She comes back from work and says, babe, I had a rough day. And you say, okay, did you take the car for servicing? Changing the topic, she feels ignored. Number two, being emotionally distant. You are doing all the manly stuff. You are providing, protecting, or even spoiling her with gifts. But emotionally, you've gone cold. No affection, no heart-to-heart talk, no how was your day, just silence. Here's the thing. To a woman, emotional connection is part of being loved. When the emotional gaps widens, even with everything else going well, going fine, she starts to feel alone in the relationship. For example, you come home, you eat, you sleep. No I miss you, no checks in, no compliment. That silence alone screams louder than words. Number three, comparing her to other women, even jokingly. Oh, see how that girl dresses. Very classy. You should start dressing like that too. Sounds small, right? But deep down, it cuts and it hurts, even if you didn't mean it that way. Comparisons makes a woman feel not enough. Instead of comparing her to other women, appreciate her effort. Tell her what you love about her. Remind her that she's still the woman that makes your heart race. These words means more than you think. Number four, taking her for granted. Remember when you used to plan surprises, send sweet texts, or just say thank you when she made a meal? What happened to all that? Consistency isn't boring, it's reassurance. When a woman starts to feel like they're just there but not seen, they begin to question your love. For example, she dresses for a date night, you don't say a word. She plans your birthday, you just say cool. Bro, a simple thank you, babe, can go a long way. Number five, dismissing her feelings. Why are you always so emotional? Here we go again. This phrase is very dangerous. When you constantly shut her up or makes her feel dramatic for expressing herself, she stops opening up. And when a woman stops opening up, is distance. Make a space for her emotions. Even if you don't fully understand, respect it. Just respect it. Number six, being too tough to apologize. Some men think saying I'm sorry is weakness, but here's the truth. I'm sorry is a strength that builds trust and respect. When you hurt her, even unintentionally, and act like nothing happened, she starts feeling emotionally abandoned. Simple I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you, can heal so much. Most of the times, it's not that you don't love her. It's just that you are showing it in ways that don't translate to her. Love isn't just about what you feel, it's about what she experiences. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep shining.